Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's tidbit is how to conquer fear. Why is fear so prevalent today? From the news to just social media, it seems to me that negativity and fear is everywhere. Now, to make that even more touch home to you or us realtors, we live in a world of a lot of negativity compared to how many wins we get, right? So for every closing, how many calls do you have to go through? How many leads do you have to go through to get that one, right? And in my opinion, fear takes over. And it's not even so much fear, it is fear, but it's also just protection. We don't like getting yelled at, we don't like negativity, so the natural tendency is to avoid those things, right? I hope this wind isn't too much, but it is really windy out here. So, my tip to you today is conquer that fear. Do whatever you can to set the systems in place to make sure you're gonna do what you know you need to do. i.e., if you need to knock on doors, what do you need to do first thing in the morning to make sure you knock on that first door? Don't worry about the 30 or 40, 50 doors. Worry about that first door. If you're going to be making phone calls, what do you need to do to make sure you make that first phone call every single day? Is it an accountability partner? Is it setting an alarm? Is it making sure you do it at a certain time of day, first thing in the day, end of the day, whenever you're at your prime? It is making sure you take that first step. The journey of 1,000,000 miles or 1,000 miles, whatever you want to call it, does begin with that single step. And the single step for most agents is to conquer that little bit of fear, that little bit of anxiety, that little bit of, oh, I really don't want to get yelled at every morning so you can be at the top of your game every day. That's today's tip. Have a great day, guys.